Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vine and I'm back with another video. This is my third video for my back to school series. If I'm wearing the same things as I wore in my last video, it's because I'm filming them on the same day. I have time, so I'm filming. But yeah, in this video I'm going to show you what's going to go in my emergency kit and what you girls should have in your emergency kit. So to start off with, like, we're talking about what to put your emergency kit in. All you need is like a simple bag like this. It could be like, all I'm saying, it doesn't need to be too like big, not too big. I'm talking about huge. No, it doesn't need to be huge, and it's not too small. Just like this size is good. Size of pencil case is quite good, and normally I put them in like old pencil cases, or I put them in just nice travel accessory type of bags. So this is the one I'm using for this year in year 9, and it's probably the one I'll be using for a long time now because it's just the right size and it fits everything perfectly. So when we first open it up, let's just do it. You know what I mean? When we first open it up, this is like the overview of the inside. That's how it looks. Let's start with the first thing you need. The first thing you need in your emergency kit is sanitizer. And this is just emergency kits in general, like boys and girls, like what you need is sanitizer. Like, this is sanitizer, this is cute, this one's cute. I like the fact that it's a squirty one rather than the ones I have to like pull out and all that. No. This one is nice. So all you need is basic hand sanitizer. You know, since we've been in this panoramic pandemic, like, even though I bought hand sanitizer before this pandemic started, I've now realized the importance of hand sanitizer and the gruesome details of what happens on public transport in schools. Like, you know, you need hand sanitizer for yourself. Like, any situation may come, you need hand sanitizer. Followed by hand sanitizer, you need pocket tissues or pocket wipes. These are like if you have a cold, your face, after PE, anything. These things are useful, especially tissues. Like, I remember last year I was very bad at this. I did not have tissues towards the end of last year, and this was hay fever season for me. I was bare asking people, oh, can I have tissues? Or the teachers, no, you need tissues. I can't stress how much you need tissues, and these ones are very affordable. You just go to Lidl, you get like a pack of 6 for maybe £1 or £2, who knows. But I feel like you need tissues or facial wipes or pocket wipes. Those things will be good. Followed by that, you need Vaseline. Either ones. Well, this one is new, this one is old. But yeah, you need Vaseline. You need a lip balm. You need something. But this tin Vaseline, perfect. It's like easy to open, everything. You need lip balm because there's just those times where your lips get ashy and stuff like that. And what I love about this Vaseline in particular, it can be used anywhere. But at the same time, if my knees are ashy, I would use this. But all I'm saying is you need a moisturizer, you need a lip balm, most preferably in a tub like this. You could get the Nivea moisturizer things in a tub like this, because there's situations where you don't know, things could happen. You need lip balm or moisturizer. That's what you need. Then you need mints. I can't stress how important mints are. Like, you could be at lunchtime, you have garlic bread, then you need the mints. Do you get what I mean? Like, mints are very important. Like, I know many schools don't allow chewing gum. That's why I'm even saying mints. Like, me, I love gum. I'm a gum person. But my school doesn't permit us to have gums, and I know why. Because them tables, no. Majority of schools are like that. But anyway, mints. You need mints. Mints. 4 for £1, very affordable, very good mints. After that, if you're a girl like me, you know, lip gloss popping and everything all the time, you need lip gloss. I got this, I went to go and buy this NK lip gloss from some random store in Southeast London. But yeah, this is lip gloss, perfect. This one was £1. Like, it's all right for £1, but you need lip gloss. And if you want to splurge a bit of money, this one is $2.99. And what I love about this one, it's not sticky at all and it smells good. But yeah, all I'm saying is you need lip gloss, because sometimes, you know, as a girl, your lips just need to be, they need to be popping. You look, the glossy effect. It's just presentation, guys, presentation. So you need lip gloss. Okay, after that you need hand cream. This hand cream is actually so length, like the smell alone is immaculate. Like, yeah, you need hand cream because, okay guys, wow, even now my hands are dry and I'm saying you need hand cream. Like, that's how important hand cream is. Okay, now I'm making a mess, but yeah, you need hand cream because you didn't know them hands could get dry, and you just need hand cream. No, you need hand cream. This one was 79p in Home Bargains. You can go to Lidl. Lidl also has good hand cream. They have one with Q10, loads of anti-aging stuff, and they have the aloe vera one. They have different types, but this one, the coconut one of Creighton's blah blah blah, this one is good. All the range from Creighton's is so length, like the argan oil one, the cocoa butter one, they all smell so length. But this is the one I chose because it's pink. I'm just wet and cute like that. After that, you need paracetamol. Guys, ignore the fact that I've taken one, like I need to replace it with a fresh pack, but you need paracetamol. This shows how long I've had this thing packed. I've had it packed for like, let's say, a few days now, so I'm too prepared. But yeah, you need paracetamol. You need to have paracetamol. For example, if you have headaches, if you have cramps, like paracetamol is important. And I know schools offer paracetamol because my school offers paracetamol, but I'm just deep in like how many times I've left class just to get paracetamol. It's too much. Like, when you can have it in your emergency kit, please guys, think about it. It's just quicker that way. Then you need a body mist or perfume. Guys, this is coming in like a glass. The way it looks so presentable, innit? But you'll be shocked about the price. It's only 89p. I'm telling you, you need a perfume, you need just a body mist, a spray to keep you on point. And like, guys, I love the smell of this. It smells so good. Okay guys, let me not try and break it. Oh, it smells so lame. Oh, it smells like something I've had before. No, it smells lame. Guys, you need a perfume or body mist or something like this. And I love this one because it's tiny and it's portable. It just fits right inside. And the smell is so lame. You need one of these. And then, now we're moving on to like the sanitary products. Sanitary products. Guys, you need these. Whether you've started or you've not started, you need pads. Like, just, oh my gosh, another perfume's coming in my throat. Ciao. Okay, I can breathe. No, whether you started or not started, you need sanitary towels. Like, you just have two. I feel like 2 is the perfect number. Like, you have 1 in case somebody else needs it, and then 1 for yourself. Do you get what I mean? Like, 2 is just the perfect number. So just keep 2 inside. Like, you need to, guys. Like, especially when you're that age. Like, from secondary school, first as a girl, puberty starts at 9 to like 15. So your whole time in secondary school, you need it. So I feel like you should add that in there. Then you obviously need like a spare carrier bag or carrier bags. This is very like explanatory. Anything you could do with like carrier bags are needed and stuff like that. And then obviously you need knickers, like spare knickers in case of any incasities. I always say this. Last but not least, but it's not even the last thing, I say this all the time, guys, but yeah, you need hairbands. You need hairbands. For example, with me, I will have expressions in my hair majority of the time I'm in school. So these are the type of elastic bands I need. So that's what I'm going to put in my emergency kit. And majority of my friends as well, they have expressions. So this is what they would need. And then if your hair type is different, or if you have your natural hair out a lot, you put your hairbands inside your emergency kit because you don't know. For example, in PE, you might forget a hairband, your hairband snaps. All of that, you need these just in case of any incasities, as I love to say. hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Like, stay tuned because you need to see me get ready to go back to school, and you need to see my first day of school, guys. Like, guys, I'm dropping these bangers back to back. Okay, I'm back. Peace out, guys.